So I'm going ahead, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a bow for this and everything today, because this one's gonna have a bow, and this bow is gonna be so cute, okay? So we are gonna do it in red, then we're gonna put pink polka dots on it. Then we are gonna do the bottom in different greens with some rickrack looking. It's gonna be so cute, so y'all just keep watching, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put the red and pink, like I said, on my plate. The red is Red Apple from Apple Barrel. The pink is Honeysuckle Pink from Apple Barrel. So we're just gonna do, these are laser cut on the side. These are very nice wood door hangers. So they're black laser cut on the side. There's no need to paint the sides of these. We just need to try not to get too much paint on the sides. That's the big thing. So let me get a bigger paintbrush over here from my paintbrush stash and just start painting it red. This is a really pretty red, y'all, okay? This red may need a second coat here in a minute, but we'll just kind of wait and see. So it's looking good so far. Oh, looking good so far. So my plan for the bottom of this watermelon is this. What is this called? The rind? No, that's on something else, isn't it? Whatever. Anyway, the green part of the watermelon. Listen, I sometimes make myself sound so dumb. I promise I'm really not that dumb, but sometimes I sound it, that's for sure. But I'm gonna make the green part this limeade color. It's like a bright green. Then I'm gonna do stripes going down in a darker green, this marsh green. That's what I'm doing down there. That's my plan. I'm gonna go ahead and get my other paintbrush. It's my other bigger, fatter paintbrush. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. We still got a long way to go. So y'all be sure to be sprinkling this video. I'm gonna go ahead and add a quick coat of red. When you're doing that second coat, it doesn't take near as much to cover it. So this is just gonna be a real quick coat. This is what it looks like so far. We are about to add all the fun stuff to this, okay? We are about to add, so I did the main part of the watermelon in red, like I said. We'll also have this honeysuckle pink. We are about to add polka dots, and I'm gonna hand draw the polka dots, and we're gonna do those in this honeysuckle pink, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. So I got it all over my brush, and I am simply going to just start making some circles. Y'all know what's going on though. Okay. And there is a little bit of shine to it because of the video. It doesn't really look like that in real life. So now I'm gonna take my darker green, my marsh green, and put stripes on top of my lime green down here at the bottom. I'm just gonna start bringing them down. But let me show y'all. It's so cute. Let me show y'all. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far. We are not done, okay? We still have a lot of Lot to go, okay? I need to use what do I need to use? I need to add a little bit of white. A little bit of white. I got a little bit of white on my paintbrush, and I'm adding a little bit to my polka dots to make them stand out just a tiny bit more, okay? Oh yes, good choice, Brooke. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like now. I don't want to get this paint on me. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, okay? Okay, now let's go back and add one more little coat to the dark green at the bottom. Just a little, quick run over with that. Just to brighten it up just a tad. Then we're going to do the highlights at the bottom. That way the bottom part will be about done. So I'm taking my little tiny paintbrush and I'm just going to do some highlights down here. Okay, when I say highlights, that's just like little brush marks, basically. Just kind of highlighting some things. It makes a world of difference. Like, so I'm just kind of drawing them down through there like that, okay? Now, the next step with this that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my white paint, and I need to get a little more white paint on my plate over here. I'm going to do some squiggly lines to kind of connect these two. Okay, kind of like a rickrack design. Does that make sense? So we're just going to take this and we're just going to go like this. So here we got right now. I just kind of keep showing y'all as I keep going so that y'all can see what I'm up to and kind of what it's looking like. Looking really cute. That white added a bunch. That white added like that pop, okay? So that looks so good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this same white paintbrush and we are gonna just accent our polka dots a little bit, okay? So I put paint on my white brush. It's a small brush, and I'm just gonna kind of put a little, like a little swoosh on each polka dot, okay? On each polka dot. All it does is just add a little bit of oomph. That's all. Okay? Now we're gonna switch gears to black highlights. So I've got a little bit of black on here, same paintbrush that I just used, and I'm gonna add a little bit of black, okay? Then we're gonna do some black highlights along the sides. So I'm just gonna kind of do a swoosh here, swoosh here, swoosh here. Oh man. And I'm gonna go down here and do a little swoosh, swoosh. Just doing some swooshes because they're fun. There's no rhyme or reason to how I do highlights, let me just tell you. Now we're ready for the seeds at the top. So, okay, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 seeds and I'm gonna try to do it the best I can, like a teardrop. Okay, there's 1. Oops, it's not quite what I had in mind. It's a little rough, but that's okay. 2, and then 3. Okay, now obviously we're gonna paint them in. And then when we add the bow to this, boom, boom, shakalaka. It's gonna be so cute. Kind of messed up on that middle one, but it ended up looking okay. What are y'all thinking now that it started coming together? Add a little bit of black to these two. Looks so good. Okay. So here's what it's looking like. So far, we're almost done. We're almost done with our watermelon slice, y'all. How cute is this? Okay. I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out, to be completely honest. Let's go ahead and make the bow, and then we can kind of figure it out. So I'm going to scoot this up so that it's out of my way, and then we're going to make our bow real quick, okay? Okay. It's just the Re-Fabbed bow that I always do. We got 2 pieces of wired burlap that we're going to crisscross just like this, like an X. And then we're going to go ahead and take our red polka dot ribbon, crisscross it. Got a piece hanging. I'll have to get some scissors for that, though. I don't have any right here. Then we have some really fun green polka dot ribbon. You can never have too many polka dots. It's totally okay to layer polka dots, because every single bit of ribbon I have here pretty much is polka dots, okay? Not every one, but a lot of them. See, here's another polka dot, black and white stripe. Black and white polka dot. Then I have these white lace, so we're gonna crisscross those. We just crisscross everything. Then I have pink polka dot, crisscross those. Then we have raffia. So all you do with raffia is just crinkle it up, literally, that's all, okay? So throw it on the top. That's all I do. Then I have a piece of this. It's really thin, so it'll be easy to work with. I'll put it across the top, flip it over. We got a lot we're working with this time. And gonna tie it in a really tight knot to make this bow come together, okay? Oh, it's cute. Okay. You can mess with your raffia. I don't have my scissors. Oh, yeah, I do. I have scissors right here. Kitchen scissors, because guess what? I have a craft room with tons of scissors and don't know where any of them are. So, I'm using my kitchen scissors. Which, whatever. I don't care. Okay. So I'm going to kind of crinkle up this raffia a little bit. But here's my bow. How cute is this little bow? Okay, so now... Okay, the last thing we're gonna do before we add the bow is I'm gonna just put a tiny bit of white back on my paintbrush to do the highlights. Let's move this bow over here. To do the highlights on our seeds. I'm just gonna... Okay. That's literally all it takes when you add a highlight. You just add like a little swoosh. So this is our watermelon, okay? Now, I will obviously put wire or jute or whatever to go through these 2 holes so you can hang it on your door for whoever wins. And then we have this precious bow. Let's see, okay. I don't want to press it on there yet because this is still wet, but we could put it, I don't even know, I can't tell. The bottom, the top. I don't want it to cover I don't know. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have an awesome weekend. I hope you get to have fun with your family. I hope it's sunny where you are, and all the good things. So thanks for joining me today, and we will be back soon at the next appointed time. So y'all be sure to be following along. Be sure to be sprinkling this video. Bye, guys.